Current loop as a magnetic dipole. In this video, dear students, we will study how does a current loop behave as a magnetic dipole. Means how does one phase of a current loop act as a north pole and how does it act as a south pole. Okay, for this let us do an activity. You do an activity. Take a paper, plain paper like this, and draw a circle over it. Right, you draw a circle over it. Do it right now along with me. Give it direction of current to be anti-clockwise. Right, now when we are viewing this from the top, the direction is anti-clockwise, and anti-clockwise means this is north pole. Means this upper face of the paper, this upper face, suppose this is my upper face and this is my bottom face. Okay, so this upper face of this coil act as a north pole, having north polarity. Then take that sheet of paper that you have taken and see from the bottom of that sheet. Okay, bottom of that sheet means this is the upper face. You have to see from downward to upward. You will see that circle that you have drawn over that sheet, the direction is in anti-clockwise over there. Okay, so sorry, clockwise over there. Fine, so in that case that direction is clockwise, so it means clockwise means that is representing the south polarity. It means the current carrying loop, if we view from the upper face, is showing the anti-clockwise direction of current, so it behave as a north pole, and the lower face act as a south pole. Since it is representing north and south pole both, so it is acting as a dipole. So that is why current loop behave as a magnetic dipole. Similar is the case, for example, in case of an electron. When an electron is revolving in its certain orbit, in that case again, since it is moving in a circular loop, so it will behave as a dipole. Now let us discuss about how to calculate the magnetic dipole moment of the current loop or an electron revolving in a certain orbit. Right, now we know that the magnetic moment associated with a current loop is directly proportional to I, and also it is directly proportional to the area covered. Magnetic moment is directly proportional to area. Greater is the area, more with the magnetic lines of force that can pass through it, and lesser is the area, lesser will be the magnetic lines of force that can pass through it. So combining these two factors, M is directly proportional to I into A, or M is equal to KIA, where K is constant of proportionality. And for that, if we want to define the unit dipole moment, in that case K is taken to be 1, so M is equal to IA. Okay, K is taken to be 1, M is equal to IA. Now M, if this loop is having n number of turns, then we will multiply this by n. So the magnetic moment is equal to NIA, that we have already used in our previous videos. So the unit will be ampere meter square, and the direction of this magnetic moment is given by right hand rule. So the direction of current is this, so magnetic moment is upward.